I'm Mark Allen for Expert Village. I love to eat. I love food. I mean, chocolate and shrimp and champagne and drinking. And I hate these. These are Brussels sprouts. They're awful. They're terrible. I hate them. However, when I got married, my wife really liked them. As a kid, there's just nothing I would do to get out of eating them. But Carol really likes them. So I had to think of a way to make them so we could both eat them. Well, that's primarily because if you eat too many, you have a particular problem, if you get my drift. The English eat these in bubbles and squeak. They fry mashed potatoes and they stick these alongside it, and it's really, to me, quite disgusting. But whoever said that England had a lot of good food? Well, let's go over and wash these off. We're going to take a look at how to make edible, fun Brussels sprouts.